The tolerance, that is the positional tolerance which we need to use in the drawing, is 0.35 millimeters. So this is about floating fastener. This is a common type of fasteners which will be used in most of the ceilings, joints, metal to metal, where we will be clamping like these flanges. So those kind of applications we can use this formula.
Yes, here is the given 225 plus or minus 1, absolutely fine. And again they have given for the threaded area 35, and this thread size is M84 6 mm pitch. Here they should not been given. It's easy way, if they would have given here, it would have been easy. M84 into 6 mm pitch. Always dimensioning is an art. What is very important is